well, definitely not my normal deal, but today this is a Kawaii alarm clock, and I was actually requested to do this. So this is the Sumikko Gurashi. I'm probably brutally not pronouncing this correctly. Alarm clock. It's a Kawaii alarm clock. Well, the instructions were in Japanese, and there's not a explanation of how to set the alarm clock. So that's what I'm here to do today, is show you how to set this alarm clock. What you've got is your regular time, and that's set with a dial back here on this side, and you just rotate it to set the time, and it'll spin the minute hand, and then the hour hand will advance or go backwards depending on which way you turn it. But for the alarm clock side, it's this side, and it's a solid bar, and you just rotate this to set it where you'd want to set it at. So this one, let's say I wanted it at 7 in the morning, I could get up at 7 in the morning, or if we want to go back 6:30 in the morning, setting there. This one also has a snooze button, so you would push that if you woke up. I'm not sure what the snooze setting is, how many minutes. Looks like it doesn't tell you, just a snooze setting. I would guess between 2 to 15 minutes would be a good snooze, but that I'll have to look at further, or you'll have to look at further. The top button turns off the alarm when it sounds. Now we can rotate this and test this at what setting you would want it to go off, because we can actually manually rotate it until the current time, which is right now it's 9:30, and we can actually simulate this going off. So right now it has a setting to set it for alarm or music. So here we go. I'm going to rotate it and make it turn on. Okay, and then we reset it that way. Now the alarm button actually has to be up in order to turn on. So if you want to reset it, you have to turn it back up. So you'd have to, like this, I just changed the time. So there's changing the time, advancing forward or back. But so we can rotate this around again. We would have to make sure that the alarm setting is in the up setting in order to turn it on. We'll rotate it, we'll make it go off, and then I'll switch it this time to the alarm bell setting, or whatever it sounds like. So here we go. Yeah, that'll wake you up in the morning. Anyway, that's how you reset it. But so just one thing to make sure of, if you set it for yourself in the morning, let's say it's in 7 in the morning, you want to make sure that this button is up. There's down, there's up. So make sure it's up, and that way it'll go off in the morning. Otherwise, you might sleep through whatever it was you were supposed to get up for. So anyway, this is a Kawaii Sumikko Gurashi alarm clock. They may have other ones. Again, I may be butchering the names. I'm no expert in that. I will try to put a link in the description below if I can find it or something like it. And anything ordered through there, I make a small commission. But this was the little alarm clock. It definitely will wake you up in the morning, as long as you have it up and not down. Make sure that's set up, and then it will go off in the morning. And there is one other major flaw to this, is that it would go off at 7 p.m. or 7 a.m., either one, depending on which time is up. So it doesn't have a separate setting for AM or PM, and that's a little bit annoying. So you would have to leave it off during the day, so that it wouldn't go off at 7 p.m. Otherwise, might be just finishing dinner and just relaxing, maybe had a little dessert, and all of a sudden the alarm's going off. So you just want to make sure you set it up before you go to sleep. and then you'll set it down once it goes off in the morning, and then before you go to sleep again, you've got to set it up. Anyway, that's it on the Kawaii Sumikko Gurashi alarm clock. Let me know in the comments how badly I butchered the name, or did I do okay? Thanks for watching. Kung Fu Maintenance. Over and out. So links to parts, products, and tools shown in the videos can be found in the links below. Hope to be bringing you better and better videos, and I make a small commission on anything you order through there, so it helps me to help support what I do. Thanks for watching. Hope you gained some nice ground using the knowledge you gained from watching Kung Fu Maintenance videos.